Hello guys, in this segment we learn how to use the revolved base tool. Using this tool you can create the base feature by revolving the sketch about an axis. In SolidWorks, the revolve feature follows the right hand thumb rule. This rule states that if the thumb of your right hand points in the direction of the axis of revolution, the direction of the curled fingers will determine the default direction of the revolution. So let's first draw a sketch. Select the front plane. Here I am going to draw a semicircle on a straight line. The straight line will act as the axis of revolution and add a semicircle will act a center point arc. So like this. Now let's add dimension to them. I'll select this as 50 mm. Select this as 100 mm or 150 mm, and this point as the midpoint 75 mm. Okay, now the sketch is fully defined. Now let's exit the sketch and go to the features option and select the revolved boss or base tool. Here on the left hand side you can see the property manager. It shows some options like axis of revolution, direction 1, direction 2, thin feature and selected contours. The axis of revolution is about what axis you want to revolve your sketch. I'll select at this line 1, sketch 1. In direction 1, the end condition or the revolve type is or default selected as blind. Blind sketch type means you have to specify the direction of the revolution and you have to specify the angle of revolution in the next spinner. Here it is default selected as 360 degree. I can select it as 180 degree, and in the direction 1 it will revolve 180 degree. In the drop down to the revolve type, up to the vertex, up to surface and offset from surface. In the previous extruded base feature we saw what these options do. Up to the vertex and up to the surface means it will revolve the sketch up to a specified vertex or up to a specified plane. Offset from surface means it will start the revolution at a specified distance from the original sketch. Midplane option, it will use your sketching plane as the midplane and the revolution will be bidirectional on the both side of the revolution of the both side of the sketching plane. Let's let us blind. If you select the midplane option, you won't be able to edit the direction 2 option because it will revolve same on the both side of the sketching plane. If you select blind, then you will be able to edit the direction 2 option. You select this one and you can select as many angles you want. I'll select it as 90 degree. The thin feature is, by using this feature you create a cavity in between your feature, inside your feature. So what does this do is, see, in the type of thin feature there are 3 options: one direction, mid plane and 2 direction. What one direction is, it is used to add thickness on one side of the revolution, one side of the sketch. Mid plane means it will add same thickness on both side of the sketch, and 2 direction means you will be able to add different thicknesses on both side of the sketch. Select as one direction and let the thickness be 10 mm or select it as 5 mm. Next is selected contours. Which contour or which